Do you remember last year we decorated Christmas cookies?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
I was Rudolph.
Yeah.
Much fun. We're gonna do it again, but Halloween edition. First, we are gonna start by making our cookies. Are you gonna be a good helper?
Yep, Mommy.
Okay. Let's make cookies again. Wow, beautiful. Oh, okay. This side. No. Whoa. And we're gonna mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay. Whoa. Put it on me. Ooh. I'm gonna pour it.
Ooh.
Okay, put it into
Flashback.
Good job! You see my mom in Palm Springs and she had this giant...
End of flashback.
Whoa. One more.
Woo.
Woo! Whoa. Whoa.
What happened, Mom?
We made a little mess.
Mommy, it's so messy.
Ooh. Yummy.
I don't want eggs, Mommy.
Well, we have to use eggs to make the cookies. Pour it on in, baby.
Woo.
Woo!
Mix it.
And let's mix it. That's so cute. Hold it together. We have our cute little ghost. Oh. Put them together? Oh, that is very creative. Okay, so now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Peace out, camera.
Peace out, camera. Are you? Oh. Yeah, this is frosting. You make the whole thing orange? I'm gonna make the whole thing orange. This is orange. What sprinkles do you want to put on this one? The orange ones? What are you gonna be for Halloween, Storm?
A pumpkin.
You're gonna be a pumpkin for Halloween?
Like that.
What?
This one.
This is becoming
Wow.
not edible. Okay,
Ew.
look.
Like a purple.
I'm gonna put some eyeballs on here. Beautiful. Cookie with so much sprinkles on top. Delicious. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Oh, what? What? Thank you so much.